So guys, welcome back. Let's do a quick analysis on our new stock. So if you've not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like and also make a comment or not watch out for it. So we would start with the higher time frame, which is the monthly time frame. We would analyze it downward to the 4-hour time frame and we know how we place our trade for this week. First of all, this is the monthly time frame. You can see the trend on this monthly time frame, right? You can see that this is a downward movement, right? I think this movement started, 2021. That was last year, last year, right? Let's say around that July, right? This was September. This was August, July, August, September, right? So it was around that July we started having July last year we started having this drop on new stock. So ever since the price have not corrected itself, that is one. Secondly, we can see this price trading below the 10 period moving average. You all know that once this price is trading below this moving average, then definitely it is a sell movement. There's only one movement you should watch out for, which is a sell. Go ahead and sell. So this is what we are having on this new stock. Price is going bearish. So you have no direction that will go bearish with the price. That is it. We can see this movement here on this our new stock. Let's see it this way. So this will be considered to be a drop and a pullback here, right? A new drop or lows, and we take this to be a pullback. After this pullback, what do we expect? To expect a further drop. So this is what you are seeing in the month of December. This right here, you can see that price has given us a bearish move. So we know this week that we are predicting for, this is when the week will end for this month, right? So we still expect further bearish move to be made, and you can still see it's still trading below this 10 period moving average. As long as our price is below this 10 period moving average, then definitely we would want to sell, go ahead and sell. So these new stocks, we still see this as a bearish move and be expecting more drops. So that's what I want you guys to know. But when you go to the weekly time frame, right, you can clearly see this weekly time frame. This is a bearish move. You can see the full trend, a lower lows and a lower high. So you can clearly see it. Secondly, we can see this price is trading below our 10 period moving average. Price is going down, dropping. I think it was here. We are currently trading at a level of $10, right? You can see 3 weeks ago, price actually opened and closed bearish. Let me zoom it in properly. 3 weeks ago, price opened and closed bearish. 2 weeks ago, price opened and closed bearish ago. A week ago, we saw price closed and we also that price opened and closed bearish, right? So this week that we are predicting for, I want you guys also expect a bearish move. So let's see if this NIO stocks will get to this level. This is the level I am watching for this week. Let me light it so you see it. A level of 9.68. Currently, we are trading at 10.91, right? So this new stocks should be giving us is currently trading at 10.91. I would want to see this price drops to a level of 9.68. So I would be watching out for it. That is to tell us that for this week, new stocks is a bearish move. Whatever you want to do, I don't know, but we should look for a way to sell, right? So that is it. Let's see what this daily time frame actually says. So we clearly can see that this is movement. You can see that price has reacted to this level multiple times. So I'm watching out for this level for price to come to react and tap. This is it here. Price once came to this same level, then we saw a rejection, price went up, and it happened to this level again. We saw a rejection, price went up. We saw it came again to this same level, price went up, right? Price was close to this same level, which was about 9.68, then price went up, right? And now price is dropping, so you're definitely going to see price actually hit this level. Definitely even break below it. So I am watching out for a level of 9.68. We expect price to even drop further down, right? That is it one. Secondly, we can see it if this price is currently trading below our 10 period moving average. You can see the lower lows and lower highs. Currently, it is below our 10 period moving average. Now, see this movement here as an impulse move, correction. Let's take this as an impulse move again. Correction that came to hit our moving average, and now we are now having an impulse move downward. So in the month of that Thursday, right, we actually opened and closed bearish, and you can see on Friday we opened and closed bearish. So from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we should actually see price open and close bearish. So new stocks, right? I don't know how you guys want to sit, but we know for one thing for sure, this week we will actually have a bearish move. So that is what I am watching out. So let's see if this is a bearish move. Now let's see what this 4 hour time frame actually says. So if you want to place your trade, right, you would want to place it on the 4 hour time frame, especially on the weekly time frame, right? Especially when you want to you're analyzing for the week, right? And you want to place your trade, you have to go to the 4 hour time frame, and the trend for the 4 hour time frame must surely match the trend for the daily time frame and also on the weekly time frame. So take a look at the weekly time frame. You can see that the trend is a bearish move, right? Price is dropping. About 3 weeks ago, we opened bearish. We opened and closed bearish. 2 weeks ago, we opened and closed bearish. A week ago, we opened and closed bearish. So this week, we are speculating a bearish move. When you go to the daily time frame, you can also see it is bearish. A pullback has just been made, and now a new impulse move is on it. It's even making. We need to new impulse move that will break this lower lows. See, this is it. This is the lower lows, right? And this is a pullback. So we need this new impulse move that will be made that will take out this previous lower low. So that is to tell you that new stock is a bearish move. Now this is the 4 hour time frame. Take a look at the trend on the 4 hour time frame, lower lows and the lower highs. You can see price is dropping and giving us a pullback, dropping and giving us a pullback, right? So I think you can go ahead and take this trade if you want. So you can go ahead and sell on this AMC stock. AMC stock should give us that drop. You see this level price as AMC stocks have been reacting to, right? We expect it to actually break these lows and drop. That is what we will be expecting. You can see this AMC stocks, right, on a forward time frame is also trading below our 10 period moving average, right? Like I said, if you want to place this trade, you need to go to your 4 hour time frame and see if the time frame actually match the rest. So since it is trading below our 10 period moving average, then we can go ahead and sell on this. Now let's take a look at this DWAC, right? Now let's start with the higher time frame on this, right? At first, let's see, this was a level 2022. This is February, right? In the month of February 2022, we actually opened and closed bullish on DWAC. Then after that, the month of March, then price started giving us that drop. This is what our chart is currently showing us. I can't really see the full trend, right? Because the chart is limited. But anyway, that does not really, it's not really necessary. So this is a downward movement, right? One. Secondly, we've added our 10 period moving average. We all know that once this price is below this 10 period moving average, then there's only one movement we all should watch out for, which is to sell. Especially when you are seeing it going down and you also see it trading below the 10 period moving average, especially on the monthly time frame, you surely know that that is a bearish move. We all know that price makes three movements. It's either it is a downward movement, it's either an upward movement or a ranging market movement. So what we are seeing here is a downward movement. So we have knocked down short and to go with this downward movement. That should take us to the weekly time frame. So if you take a look at this movement on DWAC, we did analysis on this, right? I told you guys that we actually open and close bearish. So this DWAC about last week, we actually had a open movement price of 19. Currently, it is closed and it is trading at 17, right? So this week that just finished, we opened at 19 and closed at 17. So this week that we are also predicting for, we would also expect this DWAC to give us a more bearish move. So we expect this bearish move to come to take out this level that I told you guys that we'd be watching out for, which is a level of 15. So we want to see it get to a level of $15. So this DWAC, anyhow you want to see it, we should get to a level of $15, right? Secondly, we can see it trading below our 10 period moving average. And I just say it again and again. Once this price is trading below the moving average, 10 period moving average, right, then there's only one movement I want you all to watch out for. go ahead and sell right short on that movement. Now that should take us to the daily time frame. You can see the trend once again on the daily time frame, lower lows and lower highs. Now let's follow the trend so you will understand it. So we would consider this to be a lows, a pullback, a new lows that broke this previous lows, and here would be seen as a pullback. We take a look at this to be a lows and a pullback. What do you expect? A further drop. Like I said, we should watch out for a level of $15, right? You can see that level price has gone to a level of $15 multiple times. It has rejected. We saw it come here and react to this level. We saw it came to this level and react to it. Also at this level and it's reacted. So we expect price to come to this same level again on DWAC, right, and give us kind of like a reaction, either a pullback and it will continue to drop. So we just don't know. But one thing we should first of all target is a level of $15. So DWAC, anyhow you want to do it, go ahead and sell. You can also see it's trading below this 10 period moving average. You just see it again. Once this price is below 10 period moving average, then there's only one movement you should watch out for, which is to sell. Go ahead and sell on DWAC. And now you can see the forward time frame. This is a lower lows and a lower high. So definitely this is a sell movement. You can also see it on the forward time frame, also trading below this 10 period moving average. So like I said, go ahead and sell if you want. So if market opens, you want to place a sell order, then fine. If it is on Tuesday, you want to do that, whereby there will be more, more movements, then fine, no problem. But do you should actually get to a level of $15 this week.